Alright, today I'm going to do a review on my Crosman 357 pellet gun. What I want to tell you is that it's a good pellet gun, and you should pick up one. Let's start off with the barrel. The barrel is 6 inches. They used to include the 4-inch barrel, but they no longer make that. Crosman does no longer make that. You have a 9-shot rotary clip. And the barrel is rifled. You can see the swirls in there. That's the rifling, which helps to promote accuracy. Oh, and to open this, you have to press this thing down. You just close it like that to break open. This is a model of the Colt Python 357 Magnum Revolver, which is a real one. Most of this gun is plastic, like the grips, the body, this and this. The only thing that's metal is the trigger, the hammer, and the barrel. As I said before, the grips are plastic. It's 2 pieces actually instead of 1. You would just take them off, and your CO2 would go in there, and then you use this thing to turn it to break the seal on it in order to fire it. Let's talk about the sights. The sights are, the rear sight is, I'm trying it, there we go. The rear sight is adjustable for elevation and windage, and the front sight is not adjustable, it's just a blade formation. Get a very good sight picture. The caliber of this pellet gun is .177. Oh, the screw over here is, if you want to change the barrel, if you find a 4-inch barrel, you can do that, but they no longer make it, so you're going to have to look for second-hand ones. You just unscrew this one, and then pop it off, put it on the 4-inch barrel, and then screw it back in, and that's it. Then let's talk about the trigger. You have 2 ways of firing this. You have double action and single action. Double action is to, let me put it this way. Double action is when you pull the trigger instead of cocking it. Hence double action. See, when you pull the trigger, the hammer is being cocked back. Single action is when you cock the hammer back. You would use this for target practice. You know, you have a less trigger pull. I say around the pound area of 2 pounds. Where like in double action, 8 to 10 pounds. You have a long but heavy trigger pull, but you could adjust it so you become accurate with it. You can keep a good sight picture. And you have a safety over here. You push this pin forward over here. See the red dot right there? And you have like a trigger, like a bar blocking the thing, so in case you drop this, let's say we're cocked, it won't fire unless you pull the trigger. You would push here. See, it says push to fire. Try and get close to that. Push, fire. And over here you would push to safe, so you won't fire it. But when you don't have the safety on, it goes in more the hammer. See, it goes in even a millimeter ahead or so. And that's about it. I mean, the price on this, depends where you are. Like, should be like $40–50, somewhere around there. You could find this anywhere, like Amazon to wherever. You know, and I recommend it to anybody as a first pellet gun, or if you have one and you want to get another one, go for it. Alright, thanks for watching, and leave any comments you have or questions. If you have any more questions about what I have to go into, by all means do let me know. Alright guys, thanks.